Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll be working on masking. We'll learn how to use masking tools for our benefits. Alright, so let's dive into it. Alright, since we have 3D here, now you can see it can be used for multiple reasons. No, we need to work on masking, right? So masking is used with control. Hold control and you can mask with the rectangle, or you can change with the drag or freehand and drag. What is drag? I'll explain a bit later. With the circles you can make a mask. Curve can be make curve. And how am I changing the curves? With the help of Alt. Alright, now you can make a sharp turn with the double Alt. Alright, now what does it give us? Nothing to be used. Alright, I like lasso to work with because it will give me a control wherever I want to make it mask. Alright, let me show you how you can use a drag. Let me just get an alpha. Alright, alpha you can select here, or you can import, or whatever you want it to. Now you can hold control and get that alpha, right? Now you can see it doesn't give you that well, since alright, we don't have the enough geometry to work with. That's more than enough. Alright, way too much. Higher. Now go again and you can design, or you can import any mask and you can work with it. Keep your focal shift to the -100 for make it your alpha. Alright, let me just get it first. Alright, now you want to invert it, just go in alpha, invert. Now you can make this one, invert. Now you can make like this. Before we were using this alpha. Once we go into the alpha and invert it, now you will have this one. Alright, this can be really useful, but it depends on your geometry itself. Alright, so let's get back, and we don't need alpha for the standard brush. Alright, what else we can use masking for? Imagine we have make some, not this one, we have make polygroups here for some reason. All right, and like this, why does it give me like each and every polygroups are same color? All right, that looks nice. Then we have mushed it like this some reason. All right, now you wanted to use it, you want to make anything like something inside, or if you want to make smooth inside, how you gonna do it? First you can just go to the lower subdivisions. Okay, now you can see we can manipulate from inside, or you can edit, or you can do whatever you wanted to do from inside. All right, why we wanted to know this in a masking video? I'll show you 1 second. Now if I mask this part and I hit this one, now you can work with this one, right? Now for making a polygroup, definitely you need a masking. Without masking you can't make a polygroup. No, you can. I'll show you how you can. What you need a ZBrush brush. Without masking you can make a polygroup. Just let me go into the lowest subdivision. All right, now select on your polygroup with the edge selected. Now we can make different polygroup. All right, if I wanted to make this one's like this, now I can have my polygroups here. So masking can be useful for like polygrouping or hide something, whatever you wanted to make. But let me just go back here. There is one more useful for masking. What you can use for masking, I mean that. All right. If you keep a fairly high subdivisions, all right. Let me just keep on 7. How much I have? Quite heavy. Let me go back. Let me just select the higher subdivisions. All right. If I go to the morph target and store empty, empty stands for morph target. All right. Then, for an example, I wanted to keep this area and mask. I just keep it. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the surface noise and I'm gonna add some noise to it. Vent. All right, that's looking fine. For some reason you wanted to add this one, fine, you did it. Now what you need to apply to mesh. Let me go back, and if you don't apply to the mesh, what happens? If you unmask the subtool, it will affect to the entire subtool, but we don't want that. All right, you want just on the unmasked area and apply to the mesh. All right, we have it. Now what? With the morph target we have stored, you can go to the brush and what is it? Morph target brush. This will work with this one, this morph target brush. You can go and make anything. Let's make a smiley face. You can say it's a moon. All right, that's good. But why do we need this? Sometimes you wanted to make some skin or some scars or some like a tree texture or some reason. You can use it. All right, what else we can use masking for? Let me just show you. I have made this one. All right, the entire character by using masking tool, morph tool, and all right. You can use this entire technique for the. Let me just go and show you head. You can see I have created each and everything, the same techniques, the same tools, but you can achieve same details. You just need to know where to use it and how to use it. All right. So basically I have used, what do you say? This area, what I use is a morph target. All right. Even this for same, right? Then it goes for the entire thing. And by the way, this is a 3D printing, like you can purchase and you can print it right away. All right. So let me show you where were we? Yeah, we are here. Now you have multiple polygroups with the masking help, and you know how to make a morph target now with the masking. All right. So what else you can do with the masking brush, masking tool? That's it. You just need to know where you guys need to use it. I'm not gonna drag this video unnecessarily. I just want to show you where you can use it, how you can use it. That's it. The rest is up to you. If you guys don't know or something, if you guys are stuck in some point, just let me know. You can hit me on my Instagram. You can let me know by the comments down below. I'll help you guys. Or if anyone needs my UI or something, just let me know on my Instagram or the comments down below. All right. See you next video. If you guys like my videos, do like it, hit the comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you guys are new, please do subscribe. See you next video.